Hi friend, welcome back to my YouTube channel. Today we are going to learn how to check the Windows update in your system. So for that, here you can see the Windows icon as well as here is the search icon, search bar where you can search the system things. So here you just need to type update. Then you will see the option above check for updates. Uh, this uh, these options come under system setting. So click on it, and here you can see the updates. So when you click on check for updates, so system will check if there are any updates available for this system. Yeah. So this is the update which currently installing, and this was the available for the system. Thank you. Please subscribe my channel.